here our move update script. In here we have three variables. First is move speed, which was given in the document as 2, a float timer to keep track of time in the game, and a boolean is forward. It's initialized as true because we want our cube to start its movement in forward notation, not backwards. So it's initialized as true. In our update function, we are first starting by updating our timer, increment our timer by the time that's passing in our game. If is forward, which was true, it will take our transforms, cubes transform, and move with vector 3 forward, and it will multiply it by move speed 2 and our time delta time. And if it's not forward, it will go, it means that cube is moving backwards. And here we are checking if our timer is bigger or equal to 1. Uh, if it's if it is true, that means that our movement should be finished. So we are resetting our timer here so we can be sure that our movements are only for 1 second, and we can also change our direction from forward to back or back to forward. And meanwhile, this time, if space is pressed and while this was true, if it's also, we are also is forwards, looking forwards, we can rotate our cube using our transform rotate function. We will use y angled 90, and we will change our is forward boolean to its false. And here this is our update moment script, and here our move curtain script. We are using this time two parameters again with speed and timer. We have our start function. In our start function we have start coroutine and main loop. In main loop we first start by again moving forward, and since we said yield return move vector 3 forward, we will start this coroutine here. This coroutine takes vector 3 direction. Since our vector 3 is forward, it's gonna move in forward notation, and we will again reset our timer to 0, and we will set our timer to 0, and we will continue doing this movement here for 1 second. This is for this purpose. And again, we have our cubes transform and our direction, which was again vector 3 forward, and speed delta time. We will again keep our timer updated as time passes in the game to be sure that our cubes movements are only for 1 second for each direction, and we will say yield return null, so because we don't want to wait after our routine is finished. And after this is executed, we will come here. If space is pressed, it will rotate our cube. If it's not going to do anything again. And here we are doing the same thing as vector 3 forward, but this time it's using vector 3 backwards. The difference is backward is in -1z, meanwhile forward is +1z. We will again come here and do the same things for vector 3 back. Thank you.